Well, as you can see, the babies are getting big. They're just growing up. And I got to get down to their level here so you can get a good idea what size they really are. Huh. And for the most part, they're pretty happy chickens and Mr. Roos. Yeah. We have some out here, and some are actually inside. But I brought some green. Oh, and there's Baymax, the garden cat. He came out too. And I'm going to be collecting rocks for our trees because we're coming into the fall. So we've mulched, we're putting shade cloth down, trying to keep the ground squirrels out of our area. I'll show that to you later. But doing this, and there's not much to think about when you're picking rocks up and putting them in a bucket to lug them over to the tree, which made me think about what I want to do for a giveaway. I have 650 subscribers now, and that's really hard to believe. I remember when I had 2 subscribers, and I think that was my son and myself, and that was only a couple of years or so ago. So about 2 years ago. So I'm excited, and I want to do a giveaway, but I'm not sure what all of you would like as a gift. See, they got their crow on. Okay, that was my finger right here. Sorry about that. I'm trying to hold with one hand, and I'm going to give them fruits. And that kind of scared them, but they'll find their treats. They have plenty of water, plenty of food, and they got treats. But I wanted to show you. Let me see if I can get down. This is almost at eye level here, guys. Here are our just over 4-month-old Naked Nick chickens. See? They've about outgrown this space, so we were going to be enlarging the living area. But all the roosters in here tend to get along because they were raised together. So there's not a whole lot of fighting. They're pretty mellow and happy most of the time. Oh, that tall one right over there is the one who's getting his crow on. And there's one right there. See? We've got quite a few roosters. And this isn't all that we have. The others, as I said, are inside. And every single one has survived this brutal summer. We have not had rain at all since February. So there's one inside going up. Oh, anyway, just thought you might like to see a little bit of our roosters. Now I'm going to go pick up rocks.